Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, BoAt. Imagine building a company from nothing and scaling it into a 1,500 crore giant. Without fancy offices, without celebrity founders, and in one of the most competitive industries. This is the unbelievable story of BoAt, India's very own audio revolution. Today, we'll uncover how two entrepreneurs took a small idea, turned it into a lifestyle brand, and captured millions of loyal customers. Stay till the end, because the final strategy they used can help you build your own profitable brand. Part 1. Humble Beginnings. Founded in Astaru 2016 by Aman Gupta and Sameer Mehta. Initial product: affordable, stylish charging cables and headphones. Core idea: why pay 10,000 rupees for foreign brands when Indians deserve trendy, durable audio at 1/4 price? Struggles in first year. No big investors, relied on bootstrapping. Part 2. The breakthrough. Notification. Direct-to-consumer D2C strategy. Focus on Amazon and Flipkart sales, not physical stores. Used. Influencer and celebrity marketing. Targeted youth with cricket stars, music artists. Unreasonable aggressive pricing plus stylish design. Instant hit with college students. Revenue skyrocketed. Within 2 years, 100 rupees crenile turnover. In fact, in 2018, BoAt became one of the most sold brands on Amazon India in audio category, ahead of global giants like JBL and Sony. Part 3. Scaling to 1,500 crore. Community building. Called customers BoAtheads. Created a sense of belonging. Expansion into smart watches, speakers, wearables. Smart move partnered with IPL teams. Visibility among millions of cricket fans. By FY 2022, revenue crossed 1,500 crore, making BoAt India's #1 audio wearable brand. Aman Gupta's Shark Tank appearance boosted credibility and popularity. From 0 to 1,500 crore, the BoAt story proves that with the right pricing, branding, and customer connection, even Indian startups can beat global giants. Which BoAt product do you own? Comment below. And if you love business success stories, hit subscribe. Your support helps us bring more inspiring case studies.